What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BioSync token. The ticker symbol for this token is UBXS. This token is brought to you by BioSync Incorporated. I might be pronouncing that wrong. BIOS maybe is the name of the token. Their Twitter looks like it's at BioSync, BIXOSINC, which is BIOS, short for BIOS Incorporated. Ticker symbol UBXS. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing April 29th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, MEXC Global just announced 14 hours ago that this token will be listed April 29th, 6 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get the UBXS token, you can get it April 29th. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search UBXS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. April 29th, 6 o'clock UTC time, it will be live. So UBXS token has entered the real world. The aim of the project is to bring together the physical world and the virtual world, aka the metaverse, by combining the real estate sector with market volume of $100 trillion with blockchain, Web 3.0, metaverse tokenomics, and NFT technologies. The max supply of this token is 100 million tokens. Now, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have 24,325 holders already, so they're a very well-established project, doing very well. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. They also have a Discord, a LinkedIn, a Telegram, a Twitter, a Facebook, all sorts of links there. Token price is about 6.5 cents today. Token price is kind of staying even today. It's down 0.4%, which is, hardly anything. Their official webpage, BIXOS.io. And you can also find a full white paper listed here on CoinMarketCap. So the UBXS is the utility token for this project. The combination of NFT technology and real estate sector on blockchain. So the UBXS token was created to build BIOS community, advertisements, and funding of the next NFTized real estate project of the company, with the purpose of uniting the physical world and the virtual world by melting in the same pot of the real estate market, which has a market volume of $10+ trillion and blockchain Web3 metaverse NFTs. So, what is this all about here? Well, it says here in their introduction, it's the UBXS token is created by BIOS Incorporated as a small part of a way bigger project. So BIOS Incorporated was established in Delaware, and it is a technology company focusing on blockchain technologies. The company consists of investors, smart contract analysts, blockchain and crypto market financial experts, and software engineers. Their main mission of the company is helping investors make high profits by using the company's technologies and expertise in the crypto industry. Current trends of the company's works are staking, so you could stake the token, decentralized finance, decentralized exchange, and farming. The first project published, this project presented the first steps of the ecosystem and was aimed at investors to gain a stable profit through cryptocurrencies with different contracts. Following the project is planned, the following project planned was the UBXS token, which is now being released on MEXC Global. So the UBXS token lets investors have the tokens BIOS will release to markets cheaper. Another purpose of the UBXS token is creating awareness for future projects, including BIOS compositioning audience and raising funds. So the utility token will start a whole new system in which investors can convert their deeds and important ownership documents into NFTs. The system will not be limited to this, but will also have a marketplace where houses can be bought or sold. So yeah, lots of cool stuff here, lots of utility. So the seed sale price was 7 cents USD, it says. How the token is split up: 10% of the tokens went to the seed sale, 20% goes to company reserve, team 4% monthly. There's vested here. So 10% advisors, 10% marketing, and then we got some tokens unlocked for liquidity, and then reserve is locked. And there's all sorts of vesting periods and stuff like that. And then there's also a governance token involved. So the BXS token is the governance token. That is for the DAO for the LLC company. So you can go over that token on their white paper. By the way, you can find their white paper at docs.bixos.io. So then they go over the NFT bonds. There's also those as well. And what happens with the profits from the UBXS token. Details of the project, marketplace and metaverse stuff. They have a roadmap on here, so white papers on the roadmap, and then token launch, advertising, the DAO stuff here, the governance token coming out, and then they're going to have the real estate NFTs, and so on and so forth. A very lengthy roadmap that goes on and on, almost stuff happening every single month. So check it out, docs.bios.io, and you can find this token newly listed on MEXC Global as of April 29th, 6 o'clock UTC time. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.